Want to save money, eat better, and feel more in control on the road, all from your cab? Every truck in our fleet gives you the tools to make that happen. But if you don't manage your truck's power system the right way, your setup could shut down before dinner's even ready. So, how do you power your cab safely? How do you keep your batteries from dying? And what do you do if the inverter seems to randomly stop powering your items in the middle of a meal? I've talked to drivers, seen the issues firsthand, and tested what works, so you don't have to learn the hard way. Let's break down 3 things every driver needs to know before cooking in the cab. If you don't do this first step, everything else might shut off. Always arm auto start or optimize idle before you start cooking. Really, whenever you park for your brakes. These systems protect your batteries by automatically starting the truck when voltage gets too low. But what if you got power and then suddenly you don't? Hit the power button next to the display panel to turn on the inverter. Your inverter might trip if you overload it. If that happens, find the reset button near your outlet. Press the button in and restart your inverter. A green light will illuminate on the outlet, letting you know it is good to go. Easy peasy. And here's where most drivers can make a simple mistake without even realizing it. Never plug appliances directly into the inverter. Always use a grounded power strip. It helps manage the load and protects your system. And when you're done, unplug everything. Even idle appliances draw power. These small steps protect your truck and your meals. But powering your cab is just the start, because none of it matters if you don't know which appliances are safe to use and which ones could shut down your inverter if not used correctly. Click on the next video to learn exactly what's approved, what's not, and how to use your appliances the right way. I'll see you there.